GEOTEK is a manufacturer of engineered composite products for infrastructure applications. We sell our composite products to electric utilities, big and small, really across North America and around the world. GEOTEK's operations can really be thought of in kind of two parts. The first part, making the composite, is a continuous process. So we want to set up a line and run it for multiple days. The second part is more of a discrete manufacturing and assembly step that's often make to order. And so balancing these two very different types of processes in a way that's both efficient and responsive is a pretty unique challenge. Prior to NetSuite, our ERP system required quotes and engineering work to be done outside the system. So when a quote became an order, we had to re-enter all that information, which created work, but also the opportunity for human error. Our previous ERP system didn't include all the manufacturing information that you might need, like manufacturing routings, making things like advanced scheduling almost impossible, or at least intensely manual. We've implemented NetSuite really end-to-end on our business processes. We did this for both speed and accuracy of the data. We've implemented a number of the NetSuite modules, including NetSuite CPQ for our Alliance light pole business, Smart Count for inventory, WMS in the warehouse, and Fixed Asset Management. We have thousands of end products with relatively small differences between each part number, maybe a hole size or location, a color, and running those parts in an optimal sequence can really unlock a lot of efficiency. We've proven this through the years in small batches, but in order to do that in a systematic, large-scale way, we really needed the data in the system, both from a manufacturing routing and work center standpoint. At GEOTEK, a lot of our work really happens at the end user, the electric utility, as far as engineering and specification. In the end, the utility might end up buying the product through a distributor. And so for us, it's important to be able to see what's happening with our customer base, our end users. And in the past, that meant a reconciliation at the end of the month using Excel or databases. But with NetSuite, we were able to add a custom field for end user. And now from quote to order to shipment, every screen includes our end user or electric utility. And this really gives us visibility into what's happening in our customer base and allows us to view our data the way we think about our business. In the first 4 months, we were actually setting new records of labor efficiency as the team learned to leverage some of the data for optimization that's in the system. From an operations standpoint, NetSuite has really improved our scheduling and our ability to use advanced scheduling methods because of all the data that we capture in NetSuite around manufacturing routings and work centers. For customers, NetSuite has really improved our service levels as we've taken our gains in scheduling and efficiency and translated that into market service. NetSuite has really enhanced our ability to scale, especially as we think about acquisitions and sites around the country. Having a cloud-based system allows us to scale geographically. I would share with other business leaders that when you pick an ERP system, you want to pick one that's going to stay cutting edge and scale with your business. And for us, that's been NetSuite.